Good evening everyone. Tonight we are going to make stir-fry broccoli with garlic sauce. It's another ultra-quick recipe that you can whip up and have served in about 10 minutes. To get started, you're going to need a few things. To do this quick, first get your boiling pot of water going as you prep. Remember that the oil is for color and the salt is for taste. So of course you're going to need broccoli, enough for about 2 or 3 people. Also cut it semi-thin, and soy sauce. You're going to need 2 or 3 garlic cloves. I like mine a little bit extra garlicky. And let me show you a trick. First, take the back of your blade and smash it against the garlic. Skin comes right off. Now you're ready to mince, dice, however you like it. I'm actually surprised about how many people don't know about this recipe, but now you know. So for the thickening sauce, you're going to need 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of starch, and 4 tablespoons of water. Mix it all up and set it aside. Now ensure that your pot is a roiling boil, and boil your broccoli for about a minute, maybe a minute 30. Don't overcook it, you want it crunchy. At the same time, get your wok ready with oil and temp. Now wok cooking is typically high heat, short cooking times, so try not to burn the garlic too much and it can turn your garlic a little bit bitter. As soon as the broccoli is boiled, transfer over to the wok, give it a few quick turns, and right before adding the thickening sauce, make sure that you stir it once more. It's normal for it to all settle down, so no worries there. A few more quick turns, add a few sprinkles of soy sauce. Don't overdo it, a tablespoon or 2 should be just fine. Stir and plate. First few times you make this might take a little bit longer than 10, but after a little practice you can have this wonderful side dish in no time at all. That's it for today. Till next time, stay relaxed, keep on living.